Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for PlayStation 5 users. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check for software updates. Make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date. Go to Settings, select System Software, and then choose System Software Update in Settings. Install any available updates. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth or compressed air to clean around the analog sticks. Be gentle to avoid damaging any components. Step 3. Reset the controller. To reset your controller, locate the small reset button on the back near the L12 button. Use a paperclip to press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. This can help recalibrate the controller. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In some games, you can adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Access the game settings and increase the dead zone to see if it reduces the drift effect. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to contact PlayStation support for further assistance or consider getting a replacement controller. By following these steps, you can address controller drift issues and enhance your gaming experience.